How to link phone number to Gmail. So first of all, on your mobile devices, launch Gmail. Once you come here, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right. Now, once you come here, select Manage your Google account. Then, once you come here, tap on Personal Info. From here, you can see Phone. So you can add a recovery phone to help keep your account secure. Just tap on it. Now over here, select on Add Now. Now you have to choose a country and then your country code will be displayed. All you would have to do is enter in your phone number. After this, if you tap on the option of Next, you will receive a verification code on the entered phone number. Then all you would have to do is enter the verification code in order to confirm your phone number on your Gmail account. Now, after that, you will successfully be able to link your phone number on your Gmail account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.